to change WhatsApp theme on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to give your WhatsApp a fresh new look on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to change the WhatsApp theme in just a few simple steps. But first things first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So open up your WhatsApp Messenger and then go to settings on the bottom right corner and scroll down and then tap on the chats. There you'll find default chat theme option. Tap on it. Here you can choose from pre-existing themes or even customize your own. Or you can even choose from your own photos and set your own color. So I'll choose on this and it will show me a preview of how it will look like, and I can just tap on set and then the theme will be confirmed. Now you can even set a color according to your wish, and then you can even choose from the themes available here. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.